Welcome to today's video. We're excited to showcase the PICS595100 pipe inspection camera system, an advanced tool for precise and comprehensive inspections of pipes, ducts, and drains. Stay tuned as we explore its amazing features and accessories. Let's unbox this robust system. Inside, we have everything carefully packed to ensure the safety of this high-tech inspection tool. Let's take a closer look at each item. Here's the wireless keyboard, which makes text editing and operation effortless. Next, we have the cable point, allowing secure connections for seamless data transfer and camera operation. And let's not forget the 13-inch HD IPS screen, providing a crisp and clear display for real-time video feedback during inspections. Next, we have the user manual, your essential guide for setting up. This is the counter cable, a crucial accessory for precise measurements during inspections. It ensures you can monitor cable length accurately. Here's the video link cable. This allows direct connection for real-time high-quality video output on the 13-inch HD IPS LCD screen. We also have earphones for audio feedback and a remote for convenient control of the system. Both are designed for a smooth inspection experience. This is the charger for the 8,800 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. The package includes a durable camera protector to keep the lens safe during storage and transport. Here's the camera itself, featuring a 1.3 MP resolution with 360 degrees pan and 180 degrees tilt functionality. This waterproof IP68 rated camera is built for tough environments. Let's connect the counter cable. Plug it into the designated port carefully, ensuring a secure and firm attachment. This connection is crucial for providing accurate cable length measurements during inspections, helping you track the camera's progress with precision and efficiency. Now, we'll connect the video link cable. Simply plug it into the designated port to establish a stable and high-definition connection. This ensures seamless transmission of real-time visuals to the 13-inch HD display, providing clear and detailed feedback for precise inspections. Finally, we connect the camera to the system. Carefully attach the camera to its designated port, ensuring a secure and stable connection. This setup guarantees smooth operation, reliable performance, and uninterrupted video feed during inspections, allowing you to capture every detail with precision and clarity. Once connected, attach the protective cover to safeguard the lens during inspection, ensuring its durability and continued performance. To power up the system, press the power button located conveniently on the device. The 13-inch HD display instantly comes to life, showcasing vibrant, high-resolution visuals that provide a crisp and clear view for your inspections. The responsive interface ensures you're ready to begin work without any delays, delivering an effortless and professional experience right from the start. The 60-meter cable is durable yet flexible, making it easy to maneuver through tight and intricate spaces during inspections. Designed for reliability, it effortlessly handles complex pipe systems, ensuring smooth operation even in challenging environments. The camera features adjustable high-intensity LED lighting, allowing you to customize the brightness to suit different inspection conditions. This ensures clear visibility and detailed imaging, even in dark, murky, or low-light environments, providing reliable performance every time. The pan and tilt functionality allows smooth 360 degrees camera rotation and 180 degrees tilt, offering comprehensive views of the inspection area with precision. The system includes a user-friendly interface with a wireless keyboard, a dedicated picture-taking button, and other controls to streamline your workflow. This makes capturing images, managing settings, and documenting findings quick and convenient. And that wraps up the unboxing of the PICS595100 pipe inspection camera system. This device is an essential tool for professionals, providing unmatched reliability, precision, and ease of use for inspecting pipes, ducts, and drains. And that's the PICS595100 pipe inspection camera system, a reliable, versatile tool for professional-grade inspections. For more details or to place an order, visit www.Measure-mart.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.